I created this Vox-style animation in minutes.
A lender extends the loan. The school raises the price. The student pays for both.
Vox-style paper collage explainers are getting popular right now, and you can easily create them without switching between multiple tools or dealing with a complicated setup. This is Cliptude, an all-in-one YouTube automation tool that supports multiple video formats, including paper collage explainers, stickman animations, and 3D faceless videos, so you can choose the style that best fits your channel. I tested the tool myself, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of using Cliptude to create a Vox-style animation video from scratch. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, click Text to Video in the top left corner, then select Create Video Now. Here, you'll see the basic video settings, including duration, format, language, and aspect ratio. Since we're creating a Vox-style animation, open format and select Vox Animation. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and the language set to English. Now you have two options. Let Cliptude research and write the script for you, or provide your own script. For more control over the final video, I recommend using your own. Scroll down and click Add Script, then paste your narration. Make sure the script contains only the spoken narration without any visual or editing instructions. Once that's done, add a title that clearly describes your video. Since we're using a custom script, we don't need to fill in the remaining options. Simply click Continue to move forward. One thing to keep in mind: your script should cover concepts that Cliptude can easily find in YouTube videos and other online sources. The tool relies heavily on available online material, so it can struggle to generate relevant visuals when there aren't enough sources for a topic. Now that the basic settings are configured, it's time to choose a voiceover for your narration. Cliptude gives you several voice models to choose from, including 11 Labs, Minimax, and Cartesia. If you already have a cloned voice on 11 Labs or Minimax, you can use that as well. For this video, let's go with 11 Labs and select a voice that fits the documentary-style narration of a Vox animation. Once you've chosen the voice, click Continue to move to the next step. Now it's time to choose a style reference for your video. Cliptude will show you several reference thumbnails related to your topic, inspired by different creators and channels. Simply choose the one that best matches the visual style you want. For this tutorial, we'll select a reference that fits the Vox-style paper collage look. Once selected, click Generate and let Cliptude create the video. A Vox-style animation uses up to 676 credits per minute, and generation usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the length and complexity of your video. And here's the output.
A lender extends the loan. The school raises the price. The student pays for both. Tuition keeps climbing.
The animation looks smooth and the narration flows continuously. You may notice a few repeated visuals, which could be due to the short script and compressed settings we used for this tutorial. Once you're happy with it, download the video right here. You can also preview and download any of the AI-generated thumbnails. If you run into any issues during generation, you can contact Cliptude's support team directly below the dashboard. Live support is available, and in my testing, the response was quick and helped resolve the issue. Finally, let's discuss pricing. Cliptude does not offer a free plan, so you'll need at least the starter plan, priced at $49 per month with 2,000 credits. There's a trial plan at $9 per month, allowing you to test before you commit. Overall, Cliptude is a solid option for creators who want to produce different video formats like Vox-style animation without switching between multiple tools or dealing with a complex workflow. So try out Cliptude using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.